Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to create a cutting template in Solidworks. First I'll create a part. Okay. For this we'll create a simple L block. I'll give a cutting radius of 3. So this is my cutting profile. So here in the configurations I'll rename this as I'll press F2 and rename it as stock. Okay, and I'll create one more configuration as machined. Okay, when the machined configuration is activated, then you can continue with the next machining and hold process. Would cut. Okay. Now the machining is done. So just for showing an example, I'm not putting any holes or anything. So only one machining is fine. So when I come to configuration here, I activate the stock. So my stock will be there. When I activate the machining part, it will show the machining part. So this is how you need to do the 3D in case if you want to show the cutting profile in 2D. Okay, so let's save it. Desktop. I'll save it as a part 1 itself, no problem. Then I'll make a drawing. Okay, I'll take the front view. So here, if you want a stock, you can give it stock, and if you want a machined, you can give machined. I'll keep the stock here, and another view I'll keep as machined. Here, I can show the detailing dimensions. Here, the cutting profile will be there. So this is how you show the cutting profile in SolidWorks. Thank you.